Hi, I'm Guy from InWise, and in this video, I'll show you how to send an email campaign, newsletter, to your contacts quickly and easily with no need for technical skills. Shall we get to work? On the main login screen, click on the Campaigns tab in the main menu bar and choose Create an Email Campaign. The creating and sending process of an email campaign consists of 4 steps: design, setup, selecting groups, and summary. On InWise, you can choose from a wide range of design templates and customize them according to your requirements. Choose a basic template and design it yourself or use HTML code. Once you've chosen the template, you will move on to the Edit screen. There, you can easily design and edit your campaign without the need for designers or programmers. In the support area, there are guides that explain how to edit and design campaigns. Once you have finished editing and designing the mailing, click on the Next button and go to the Campaign Settings screen. First, define the email subject. This is the title that will appear in the subject line of the email. This is what your contacts will actually see in their inbox, so give it some thought. Its purpose is to encourage your contacts to open the email. You can also personalize the email by addressing the contact in the email subject line. For example, using their first name. This information is extracted from the personal information fields updated in the system. You will find more information on this topic in the Creating and Updating Information Fields guide in the support area. You can also add emojis, which will attract attention and encourage people to open the email. The campaign name is only for you. It will appear on your campaign list and will not be sent out to your contacts. So choose a name that will remind you what appears in the campaign content. Moving on to updating the sending profiles. These are the mailing details: who sent, what, and where. These details will be seen by the contacts in their mailbox, and they also have an impact on whether your email will be read or rather seen as spam. Click on More Settings. Update the email address to which the contacts can reply, in case they wish to respond to the email you sent them. To increase the success of your campaign, meaning the chances that your email will reach its destination, the inbox, and not accidentally sent to spam, it is important to perform a domain verification process, so that, in fact, you confirm that the domain is indeed yours and you can send the campaign from the email address that includes your domain. Learn more in the Domain Verification and Management Guide in the support area. Update the sender name. It is recommended to use the company name or to include the sender's first name so that the contact can identify where the email was sent from. You can also create multiple sending profiles, which allow you to create multiple sender identities in the same account. Let's create a new profile. Profile name. This is internal and only for your own use so that you can distinguish between the identities you have created. Update the return email address. Update the sender name that will be displayed. And to finish, save and use this profile. In the next newsletter you will send, you can choose from which profile to send it. Even at this stage, it is possible and recommended to send the campaign you created for testing. Check its correctness and display in various email programs and devices, and if necessary, go back and re-edit it. You can update individual email addresses to which the campaign will be sent for testing. Or create a built-in list to send for testing, for example, to your team. Update the name of the test group. After adding it to the list, add the email addresses that will appear in this group. Moving on, select the contact groups to which the campaign will be sent, and click the Next button. We have reached the final stage before sending out the campaign. The summary screen shows the information about the campaign. Make sure it is correct and that there are no embarrassing mistakes. In the Send settings, you can set the automated sending of the campaign a second time to the contacts who did not open the email. The campaign will only be sent to them and skip the contacts who have already opened the email. Set the date on which you wish for the email to be sent and update the email subject so that it will be more motivating to read, or copy the same subject from the previous email. You can send the campaign immediately or schedule it to be sent at another time. You can define that the campaign will not be sent to contacts who have previously received certain campaigns via email or SMS. You can also define that the campaign will not be sent to contacts that belong to other groups. When the campaign is expected to be sent to a large number of contacts, you can moderate the sending rate and set the number of contacts to whom the campaign will send in an hour or a day. You can also limit the number of contacts to whom the campaign will send. The system will know when to stop sending according to your setting. Prohibited submission dates can be defined at the campaign level, where only the current campaign will not be sent, for example, on weekends. When finished, click on the Send Campaign button and confirm the sending of the email. The campaign enters the sending queue and will be sent as soon as possible or according to the schedule you've set. So, what's next? To view all the campaigns you've created, click on Campaigns in the menu bar. You can duplicate to reuse a campaign and then update and edit it. It is recommended to view the activity reports in the statistics and draw conclusions from them for future campaigns. Want to know more? You're welcome to read our guides and watch more tutorials in the support area. And if you still have questions, our support team will be happy to assist you. Good luck!